Guys, it's the crispiness for me. Okay? Hold on. I'm gonna better view. I'm gonna see me start both. Look here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I made these beautiful, crispy, spicy chicken wings. So if you want to know how to make these, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's go through the ingredients to make our chicken wings. Alright, so our wings are over here, nicely washed and clean and pat dry. And these are the powder seasonings that I'll be using. This is some complete seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, chicken seasoning. This is cayenne pepper, all-purpose seasoning, smoked paprika. Guys, I'm also gonna be adding some garlic powder. All right, and over here I have some ice water, which I'll be using for my marinade. All right guys, so here I have my ninja. I have 1 scotch bonnet pepper in here. I'm just gonna throw in all the seasonings, just throw in everything. All right, no particular order. We're just tossing everything in this ninja right here. And the water that we'll be using, guys, is ice water. As you can see, it's kind of like, you can see from the outside the water vapors outside of the glass. Yes, because the water is ice cold. The reason why we use ice water is because it makes the marinade thick, and yeah, that's what we want. So everything is in here. I'm just gonna add that 1 cup of ice water to this. Then we're gonna cover it and blend. So here's our seasoning in our ninja, guys. We're just gonna put it on here. Okay, like so. Once you've put your ninja on, guys, just hit start and blend away. Just blend until you have a nice even consistency of all the seasonings and the water. And yeah, you want a nice consistency. So this is what it looks like, guys, and we're just gonna pour this on our wings. So this is our marinade right here, guys, and we're just gonna pour it over our wings. All right, just like that. So when we pour it over our wings, we're just gonna get all the wings soaked up in this marinade. Okay. And we're gonna leave this to marinate for 8 hours. You could put it on the bottom of your fridge, you could marinate it overnight, but today I'll just be marinating mine for 8 hours. All right, so anywhere from 6 to 8 hours is fine. You'll get nice, spicy, flavorful wings. All right, so I'm just gonna Saran wrap this, and yeah. Okay guys, so my wings are nicely wrapped up. I'm just gonna rest them in the bottom of my fridge until I'm ready to fry them. Guys, you should smell this. Listen, just now when I was wrapping them up, I'm like, damn, these wings aren't cooked and they're smelling so good. So all right, I'll see you guys when we're ready to fry the wings. All right guys, so we're back. Let us see what the chicken wings look like now. They've been in here for about 7+ hours. Alright, so smells so good. Wow. Alright guys, so we are gonna flour up these and start frying these. Alright, so I have some plain flour right here. So I'm gonna flour them and put them in this container right here. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'll let you change your plans. I'm going to dip the chicken in the flour, then onto this rock. Then we're gonna go back into the seasoning water, the marinade rather, then in the flour and the rock, then we're gonna fry. Are you following? So watch me guys. I did not season this flour because we're going to dip it back in this marinade as I said. So I did not add any seasoning to this flour at all. This is just plain flour. All right. Okay, so in the flour, onto the rack. I'm not adding any eggs either. Trust me, it's going to be bomb. And we're gonna pretty much do the same for every piece of chicken. So yeah, watch and learn, guys. Alright guys, so now that we've done that, this is how they're looking. Alright, so now new gloves. That gloves was getting like, yeah. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna dip one wing back in the seasoning water, then into the flour. You want to kind of like press it down. Right, so I'm using this end for the water, this end for the flour. All right, add it back to that, onto the next one. Oops, back in the flour. This is kind of awkward with my left hand, but listen, it will work. Onto the tray. Same for this one. Into the flour. Get it? So I'm gonna show you one more, guys, and then I'm gonna finish them off and come back when it's time to fry. All right, so in the liquid, into the flour, press it down. Yeah, I know I said I was gonna use one hand, but whatever. All right, and I'm gonna complete all the rest, guys, and I'll be back. All right, guys, so this is how they're looking, and you see these stuff, these are what's gonna create like layers of crispy goodness. All right, and for the marinade, that is all used up. All right, so let's get frying these babies. All right, guys, so I started the flame under my wok, and we're just gonna let this oil eat up, and then we're gonna start frying off these wings. All right, guys, so our oil is hot. Just gonna take the wings from here. I'm gonna be frying like 4 at a time, and we're gonna add to the oil. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing 4 at a time because I don't want this oil to get cold. Okay, so they're frying nicely, guys. What I'm gonna do is cover the pot so the inside of the wings can be perfectly cooked. Wow, they're looking so amazing already, guys. Now here's a little tip, guys. Whatever color your marinade has, that is the color your wings will have when it cools down. I know these are looking a little bit light in color, but these will get darker because our marinade was very like a dark orange color. But look at this crispiness. Guys, I did go ahead and fry the second set, and I'm just gonna fry this remaining 3 that I have here, and that's it. So the remaining 3. Whew. Guys, I was so tempted to taste one, because I know if I tasted one I'd have to taste another and another. So let me turn that heat down a bit and let these bad boys taste and fry. These are already crisping up, guys. So I've removed them from the pot, guys, and we're all done. Here they are on a nice little platter. How many wings are you having, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Once again, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye.